Liver disease starts with inflammation, which occurs when your liver is trying to fight an infection or heal an injury. This inflammation makes your liver become tender and enlarged, and it will begin to produce scar tissue. As scar tissue accumulates, it replaces healthy liver tissue, causing a condition known as liver fibrosis. Fibrosis is particularly dangerous because scar tissue starts blocking blood flowing throughout the liver. As more scar tissue builds up, your liver may not function as well as it once did. So healthy parts of your liver have to work harder to make up for the scarred tissue. If fibrosis is diagnosed and treated successfully at an early stage, your liver can probably repair damage to itself. If it is not treated, eventually the liver won't be able to perform its many metabolic functions. Permanent, irreversible damage will gradually cause liver failure, which is a life-threatening medical emergency. Once your liver fails, only a liver transplant can save your life.